Hi everybody, my name is Valentina and this is my boy, Carmine. So on my channel, God Health Mama, I'm sharing with you my experience with gallstones, gallbladder issues, gallbladder surgery, um, and I have H. pylori and diverticulitis. So I'm trying to manage all these issues and breastfeeding this little baby. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and put the like. So quick. Hi everybody. God Help Mama here. We're going to buy some ingredients for our low-fat hummus, and stay with me. We're gonna do some shopping. So on my way to supermarket, I decided to pick up some probiotics to help manage my H. pylori. So today we decided to make low fat or no fat hummus for snacking, and I'm gonna show you how I am preparing all the stuff, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. For that recipe I'm gonna use 3/4 of a cup plain non-fat yogurt. My chickpeas, I bought can of chickpeas, and I'm gonna use it. Ground cumin. I did not find the caraway, just found seeds, so I'm gonna have to process this into powder, and I'm gonna use smoked paprika, which I really like, lemon juice 2 tablespoons, and I'm gonna use a little bit of salt and fresh parsley, and I prepared some snack sticks for myself. This is fresh cut celery and cucumbers, and we're gonna blend everything together, and I'm gonna show you the result. Okay, our hummus is ready. Look at that beauty. If you don't have or don't use a blender, it's fine. You can just mash this piece with the yogurt and all these additives with your spoon in a bowl. The recipe will be in the comment section, and so for that hummus that you made, you can store in the fridge not longer than 4 days, and just enjoy your meal. As a bonus, I would like to show you that beautiful grilled chicken and half of or quarter of sweet potato. And don't forget to drink water. For the grilled chicken, we use this avocado oil spray, just a little bit, and salt. And that's it for this recipe. I hope you enjoy it. Check the recipe in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.